Did you know your Android phone can take DSLR quality photos? If you've been struggling with blurry, dull pictures, it's time to unlock the power of Samsung Expert RAW. With this app, you get full manual control over your shots, just like a professional camera. In this video, I'll show you how to use Expert RAW to capture high quality, detailed and stunning images, even in low light. Stay tuned for some pro tips that will transform your photography game. Let's dive in. To begin, you need to download and open Expert RAW. If not pre-installed, download it from Samsung Galaxy Store. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy Store, this is the Samsung Galaxy Store. If you have a Galaxy phone, you tap here, this, and to open the Galaxy Store, and from there you can search for Expert RAW. This one, you search. If not pre-installed already on your phone, you can search for it here and install it. Mine is already installed, so it's already installed on my phone, or if not, I'll install it. So once you do that, you open it. When you open it, you switch to RAW format. So this is where you go to switch to RAW format. You see where it says save pictures in, you tap this and you check the RAW format. Okay, all right, and then there you okay, so now you switch to RAW format. You can make these changes. You can adjust the camera settings. You switch to RAW format, okay, and you set 16-bit RAW for professional grade, whatever. Or you can lower ISO for clear, noise-free images. This is the ISO. You can lower this if it's high. I mean, you can adjust this here. It says lower ISO it makes it clear and noise-free images. So you lower it as you desired, and you can adjust shutter speed to capture motion blur or freeze action. So the speed, shutter speed, you can adjust it. You can adjust. I don't know which one will be the best one, but you play around with it. Okay, and then you can fine-tune white balance. Use auto WB, this one. You set it to auto. So now it's manual. Set it to auto. Okay, so for fine-tune white balance, it's best if you set the WB to auto. It's manual now. You touch it to set it to auto, and use manual focus for sharpness. Focus, this is focus. So use manual focus for sharpness. That means you can adjust it, adjust for whichever way one will be suitable for you. Okay, what else? You can use enable HDR and multi-frame processing. Yeah, so you play around with these settings. To achieve what's good for you, and then you can transfer your raw images to Lightroom or Snap Speed for advanced editing. You can equally use Samsung Gallery to edit it. All right, so that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, share, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Let's elevate your photography game together.